Hi everyone, it's me, your girl here again, Mrs. Sherifatu Bakari Joe. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. And for those that are new here to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Here it's all about baking. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make sandwich. Yeah, come with me, let's bake. Here are the ingredients you need to make your sandwich. Here I have 700 grams of flour, 35 grams of powdered milk, 300 grams of water. This water you can replace with whole milk if you don't have the powdered milk. In place of 300 grams of water, you just use 300 grams of whole milk. And here 150 grams of butter. Here I have 50 grams of fresh yeast, which is 20 grams of dried yeast. And here 35 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt, and 1 medium-sized egg. Let's get into baking. First, I wash my hands, put my yeast under. If you want to know why I do this, check my other videos. And your flour in, butter goes in, milk, sugar. Your egg, always put it apart. Don't just break it directly in your ingredients. Otherwise, if the egg is bad, all your ingredients are bad as well. Make this a habit, guys. So you put your water. We're going to be kneading this dough intensively for 15 minutes. But first, you start on a low speed. Our dough is ready. And just a little bit flour on my hand. Now we're going to leave this to rest for 10 minutes. Okay. See how nice our dough is. We'll leave this for 10 minutes. Our dough has rested for 10 minutes, so you just press out the hair from it. We're going to leave this again for 10 minutes. So you press out the hair and then you just roll again, make a ball again. Put some flour. And you leave it again for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes again, so in total 20 minutes, we're going to share our dough in 30 pieces. It's 45 grams each. This heel is washed and cleaned always. I've cut out the dough. Now we're just going to make a ball. Make sure you don't have flour on your surface, otherwise it's going to be difficult to make a ball. Just that's one way you can do it. Just a ball. Another way, you can use your hands. Put it in your palm, no flour, just roll. See what I'm doing? Roll. Whichever one is easier for you, you can do. Otherwise, I make with 2 hands to make it faster. Yeah, you can see. Round and smooth. So guys, we've made balls of the sandwiches, and now we're going to shape our sandwich. So you just put the ball that you made, just one, and just take a look at my palm. You roll 1 and 2 like this, and then with your 2 palms, just the tip, you roll 1 and 2. 1, 2. Make sure you don't roll it out too much so it doesn't get too long. Sandwiches are meant to be really just little, not so long. Like this, you're good to go. And then you place your attachment, leaving space in between, so that when they rise, it doesn't stick together, like an inch in between. See, just like this. Alright guys, my sandwich is already on my tray. You can see I'll put some egg wash, but first, before I do that quickly, I made extra, so it was too much, and for me not to start baking twice, this is already enough for me. To preserve this for next time when I want to bake, just bring it out from the freezer, put some egg wash, leave it to rise for an hour, and then you're good to go. But you have to put it immediately in the freezer. You just put it on a tray like this, put it in the deep freezer immediately. This can stay for like 3 weeks to 1 month maximum. Then whenever you feel like eating sandwich, you don't have to go through all the process again. I'll put this immediately in my freezer. Put some egg wash, just a little bit. So we're going to leave this to rise for 60 minutes. And in the meantime, while this one is rising, you preheat your oven 250 degrees. Our bread is rising. So you can see, yeah, that's why I said, try to give it a bit space. I don't have a big tray. If you have a bigger tray, try to give it space, because when this is baked, it's comes together. We'll bake this now in our preheated oven of 250 degrees for 7 minutes. Alright guys, our sandwich is ready. Oh my goodness. Just take a look at these guys. Nicely baked sandwich. So we're going to leave this to cool. I'll show you. Nicely baked, the front and the back. You can see. We'll leave this to cool off before we start munching on it. Alright guys, our sandwich is a little bit cooled off, so you can see, so nice. And I've got here cheese. I'm a lover of cheese, so cut this open. Wow, see the inside of your sandwich. Looks good, right? It tastes good as well. All right. Okay. Oh my God. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.